Hi, my name is Milange, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Alma BB that I got from Fashion File. And if you want to see more fashion, makeup, lifestyle, and topics that actually matter, keep watching and subscribe.
Reminiscing ya. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me.
So this is the box that it came in. And it came with pink little, I don't even know what these are, but it came with that. Anyway, used. I brought it used from Fashion File because the price is $1,900, and I figured if I could save some money, why not? Especially because I don't think the one that I picked wasn't like that used badly, but it was cheap. It was like $1,300, and with tax $1,500. The original bag costs almost like, I think it's $1,900, almost $2,000. And I'm like, what the? It comes in the original Louis Vuitton. Oh wow. Comes with a dust bag. Okay. Wow. This looks perfect, bro. Is this even used? This looks... What the? I'm like... This looks so perfect. This looks brand new. The only thing it says, it has a B right here. It has a B right here. And that stands for a bad B. Period. But this looks so good. Like, this looks like a brand new bag. Like, look at this. This looks like a brand new bag for 1,500 bucks. Like, I think I must shop in the used market, like, for certain brands, because this looks like a brand new bag. The only thing it has like a stamp. And you know, like, that's not a big deal. Wow, I'm impressed. Let's look in the inside. It comes with a strap. Everything looks in perfect condition, I'm not gonna lie to you. Comes with the Louis Vuitton thing for the strap. Comes with the lock. Not gonna lie, this is in perfect condition. Like, for the price that I paid for it, this is in perfect condition. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I love this. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna wear it, like crossbody, like the different ways you can wear it, and also I'm gonna show you guys what it could fit inside of it. It's at an awkward length because I'm short. I am 5 feet 1.5. So I don't know about wearing the strap. I'm just not gonna wear the strap because the strap is way too long for somebody that's short. But I'm sure if you're taller, this would look perfect on your frame. But for me, it's just not gonna work for me to do the crossbody. I'll show you guys the description, but on the description it said that the bag was worn. The bag was worn and stuff. Have a few scratches. Actually, don't see no scratch on this bag. This bag is gonna be my favorite bag. I already know I'm gonna take it out all the time to go places and do whatever I'm doing. Yeah, so this bag I'll be running errands and taking it places, like, cause this is just so cute. And the B, I don't mind cause I'm a bad bitch. So, and I just didn't want to spend the $1,900 on getting this bag from Louis Vuitton because I feel like that was a drag. $1,900 for that. My Neverfull, when I brought it, was $1,600. Why would I buy this bag for $1,900 when a Neverfull was $1,600 and it's way bigger? Like, I'm actually gonna get my Neverfull to compare the size. So when I got this Neverfull, as you can see, in terms of size, this was $1,600 when I brought it from the Louis Vuitton website 4 years ago, and then this was $1,900 on the Louis Vuitton website. And I just couldn't seem to spend the $1,900 because, like I said, this is half of this bag. So I just figured, like, let me just look on the Fashion File website and look to see, like, what to do, what to buy. I didn't want to buy it in the real world because the real world doesn't do returns. I was like, what if the bag has actually more scratches than what they put on the website? Fashion File, you can do returns. The real, you cannot do returns. I think you cannot do returns. Like once you buy a bag, like it's over. Like you just brought the bag. Like there's nothing they're gonna do for you. So I felt safer with Fashion File. And like I said, the B, I didn't care about that. That's not a big deal to me. Like that's like, okay. When I walk around with the bag, who gonna know my name don't start with B? Nobody. Like nobody's gonna know that my name don't start with a B. So it didn't really bother me. So I'm gonna show you guys what could fit in this bag. Start off with my Versace shades. These are so cute, of course. Comes with like a Versace, whatever this is called. So I'm gonna try to fit this whole box in here and see what happens. That fit. Second, we're gonna put my Fenty Beauty matte powder. Where to put that in? Yeah, that fit too. Put my Prada lip balm. So lip balm. We're gonna put my Chanel compact mirror. I'm gonna put it in the little pocket. Next, we have my key pouch, whatever it's called. So usually I'll just put my cards in here. Like all of these cards that I have, I'll just put that in here and I'll just take this and go outside, put this in my pocket and go about my business, right? But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you guys what the bag can actually fit.
When I think about you, I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor.
I'm gonna put this in here. Where you put my card holder, which is this beautiful pink YSL. I'm gonna put it and see if it fits. It does indeed fit. These are my glasses because I'm blind. Glasses. They are so cute, but very dirty right now, so yeah. When I'm driving at night, I need my glasses. So we're gonna see if that can fit in here with my Versace shades. Oh. So let's see if it closes. We have a lot of stuff in here.
For me, I had to change my play ways. Got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing.
It's filled to the brim. Let's see if this can.
My songs, that's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me, break it down.
So, I don't think everything is gonna fit in here. Just because my Versace case is really freaking large. So I don't think both cases is gonna be able to fit in here. Nope. Doesn't look like it's gonna close, so let's see what I can remove for everything to fit in here. I think it's a Versace case, I'm not gonna lie. Take this back out, take this out. Okay, Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna take this back out. This stupid big, I don't know why they made like that. So let's just say that I was going out. So I'm gonna keep my shades on me because if this was real and I was actually going outside, I would have my sunglasses on because I don't like the sun. So I'd put my frames in here. I'm pretty sure everything will fit. Key pouch, wallet, Fenty Beauty. Well, on a regular, I don't wear makeup going out. Chanel, Prada, and I think it could even fit that one. So, yep. Oh. Yeah, everything. It would fit everything. Obviously, I would have my shades on top of my head because, yeah. Put my shades in like this without the case. It will be able to fit too. Shades will be able to fit. End of my video, and this is the end of my bag review. Like, I love that bag, and I'm so happy that I paid the price that I paid for it. Go to Louis Vuitton and actually buy it full price at $1,900. I went on Fashion File and got it for $1,500 with tax. It was $1,300 originally, but $1,500 because of the tax. Overall, I love the bag. Like, I'm gonna be rocking this bag all the time. I already know. Like, I can already see it. So yeah, let me know if you guys will purchase a bag secondhand from Fashion File or the real. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Also, let me know what you want to watch next. Wait at 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you like, share, comment. Also, send this to your friends so they can like, share, comment. Yeah, my name is Milange, and I do everything. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Favor for me, do this one favor for me. I had to change my plan.